Hello, my name's Tom.
And where are you from, Thomas? You're
anonymous.
You're anonymous.
I'm on the run.
You're on the run. I've got many friends on the run, actually. Right, okay, so go for it, Danny.
I've just done a skim fade into a little bit of a wedge, and then saw this coming back.
And that's for front partial. Danny marking up guidelines. So Danny is applying Supreme, Ghost Bond Supreme. And we're going to put 2 layers of that on. And evenly spread it. And obviously Danny's got his guidelines. Okay, this is Thomas's system and his order form with the natural hash-free 64A lace. We've got poly at the back, which you see on the order form, 3/4 inch poly, and that's just to give extra security. I put ultra hold tape on the back of this front partial, makes everything easier, and will hold for probably 3 weeks or maybe longer, with Thomas doing touch-ups at the front. Well done, mate. Oh.
Curly hard.
Apparently, Danny flattens the head harder than I do. people do neck training.
Bit of aggression in him.
Yeah, people do neck training. They go and put weights on their foreheads and do that. They're going in for a regroom. Front partial with the swept back look. Is that right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
You look like a model, mate.
You haven't put that up live already, have you? My phone's going here.
Why not? Why not? So I'm filming Thomas. He flies in to see us. Look how great he looks. There's the building work, but we're more interested in the back of Thomas's hair because it looks amazing, and the front as well. Fantastic.